Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. So you have a deportation order and you weren't there at the hearing. So it's a deportation order in absentia, okay? If you had papers or if papers existed that said you had to be to court at a certain place at a certain time and you physically were not there, then the judge will order you deported in absentia. That means immigration. ICE can go after you, take you, pick you up, put you in immigration detention, and then once a plane or a bus is ready, stick you on it and deport you. So the question then becomes, what can you do to help yourself in a situation like this? First thing is I would need to know if you had notice, okay? Whether or not you gave the wrong address of where you were going to be, whether or not you moved and did not properly file a change of address, whether or not somebody at the household who wasn't you threw it in the garbage, whatever it is, I would need to know if you physically did not know when the actual court date was. If you didn't know, then you didn't have your day in court, and you are then eligible to file a motion to reopen an in absentia hearing so that, hopefully you'll get your day in court. It'll be granted. The deportation order will be removed, and you'll be able to fight your case in court. That is only if you never received notice. Now, there's other situations that might happen, but for example, if you had notice, but you were afraid to go because you thought you would lose, that's not going to be a good reason to do a motion to reopen. Or if you had some attorney, supposedly, who said to you, don't go, there's a risk that a deportation order will be issued, then it again is not a good reason. And you could get, unless you could get a statement from the attorney that he or she said that to you, which you will never be able to get, even if it wasn't an attorney and it was a paralegal or someone pretending to be an attorney, they're not going to sign something saying they told you that, because they know they're going to be liable if they do that. All right. So best thing is, if there was no notice, then under due process, you would be entitled to get the case reopened. And it's not a slam dunk, it never is, but at least the case law is significantly in your favor should that be the case. And when you do the motion to reopen, that will stay any deportation, which of course is good, that you don't have to fear, at least at that time, of being deported. Okay.